Hello. In this video, we will discuss how to make a Google Meet link and how to save it. First, go to the Google Meet app or website. Click on New Meeting and select Create a Meeting for Later or Schedule in Google Calendar. When you click on Create a Meeting for Later, you will get a link that you can copy by clicking on the copy symbol and use it in the space provided or whenever you want to use it. This link will work anytime you want to use it. You can save it for future references in your notes. When you click on Schedule in Google Calendar, the Google Calendar app opens an event where you can edit details such as the event's title and time of your choice. Click on All Day option. Tap on the arrow besides the Don't Repeat option to customize it more. You can also copy the link by clicking on Copy option to share it to everyone. At the top right, tap Save. Next time you want to attend a Google Meet, you will see the Google Meet link scheduled in your Google Meet calendar. Thank you for watching. For any further queries, feel free to contact us.